guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for provision and saltfish. I had this recently in Trinidad at El Pequo's Grill on Arapita Avenue and it was really delicious. So I wanted to recreate it and share with you all my version of this delicious dish. So now to make this dish, I already went ahead and prepped all of the ingredients. Here I have some boiled dasheen, boiled plantains, chopped tomatoes, some boiled yuca or cassava, some boiled and washed saltfish. You want to wash the salt out, boil it for about 10 minutes, get majority of that salt out of the saltfish, then wash it in some tap water, squeeze it out, and then this is ready. Here I have one green banana boiled, some chopped celery, chopped scallion, some bell peppers, multicolored bell peppers chopped, some bandania chopped, some onions chopped, golden ray or butter, you want to use salted butter, and some minced garlic. So now let's put this together. I'm going to start by putting up a pot to heat up on medium heat. To the pot I'm going to add in the golden ray and allow that to melt. When your golden ray or butter has melted, you're going to add in the chopped onions. And you're going to saute these onions until it's tender. Now I'm going to add in the garlic. And I'm going to saute until it starts to turn light brown in color. Now I'm going to go in with the chopped celery, scallions, bandania, peppers. If you guys wanted to put pimento pepper or hot pepper in this, you can. Now you just want to mix these ingredients together and allow it to cook until it starts to get tender. I'm going to add in the chopped tomatoes also. Give that a mix and just cook until the tomato breaks down. Now that the tomato has broken down, I'm going to add in all of the other ingredients, the dasheen. And remember guys, I said all of these ingredients are pre-boiled. You want to boil it until it's tender. The plantains. And you can use any combination of provision you want for this. Cassava. The green banana or green fig. And the saltfish. Give this a mix. Okay, after you've mixed that in, I'm going to add in 1 tomato bouillon cube. If you don't have this, you can omit it. And I'm going to add in some water. And just give this a mix. And now we want to allow this to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Because we want all those flavors to come together. And we want that saltfish to help season the provision, because when I boiled the provision I didn't put any salt. So you want to create that lovely taste in the provision with that saltfish. So I'm just going to leave this here to simmer for 10 minutes, after which it should be ready. So guys, this is finished. You see how it has thickened up? That's how you want it to be. It's going to thicken up and come together. Now at this point you would want to taste it for salt and adjust your salt accordingly. But now this is ready to be served. This is a one-pot meal. It can be served just as, because it has everything in it for a complete meal. If you wanted to serve it with some curry, it's like some curry chicken, curry shrimp, or maybe some stewed chicken, or jerk pork, or jeera chicken, jeera pork, whatever you want to serve this with, it is a great accompaniment for a lot of dishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!